You are magnetic to this person. This person doesn't care if you're already with someone. They want you. For some of you, this person could be with someone and they still want you. I'm not condoning that, but this is what's coming up with the Empress in the reverse. This person loves everything about you. For some of you, this person is actually single, but for others of you, this person is actually in a connection. But this individual finds you to be absolutely stunning. You may have mentioned certain things that you don't like about yourself, but this person finds your imperfections to be beautiful. They're magnetically drawn to you. They feel like you are like someone out of a movie. You are their crush. You are their forever crush. They feel like you are so cool and laid back and you are a whole vibe. They see you as stunning and natural beauty, classy, down to earth, humble, hardworking. And they don't care that people may judge you or the connection, or if people found out that they like you. This may have been a thing for some of you. You may have felt like they were embarrassed of you. They're not embarrassed of you. Maybe in the past they were fearful of what people may think and what people may say, but they don't care. They see themselves in you. You could be different from this individual. You could come from different cultural backgrounds, but this person finds you to be like their family. They see you as their soul fam. This individual sees you as someone that they can learn from. They feel like it was destined. The connection with you was destined. The two of you meeting was meant to be. They romanticize the whole situation between the two of you. This person could be a friend or a friend at work, and they hide these feelings. They try to conceal these emotions because they feel like if other people found out at work or within this friendship group, people will frown upon this actual connection. People will feel like it's inappropriate. But you bring a lot of sun and light into this person's life. You brighten up their world, not even their day, their world. Things were very bleak for this individual before they met you, but when they connected with you, you connected to their inner child. They feel like you two are best friends. They see a lot of traits within you that they wish that they can possess, and for some of you they feel like they possess these same traits, but they may have felt like these traits were weird, but you came around and made them feel like these traits were okay. And if you feel like these traits that they possess are okay, then they must be pretty cool, because they see you as cool. They see you as someone that has a lot of swag and confidence. You don't really care about what people think and say. You're just that cool cat. And they're magnetically drawn to you. They see how other people gravitate towards you. And they think to themselves, he's mine, she's mine. This is something that they won't reveal though. But this is something that other people are starting to notice. Other people are starting to notice how drawn this individual is to you. Even if they think that they are concealing these emotions, other people at work are cottoning onto the fact that this person is besotted by you. This person felt like they can block their emotions. But the intensity about how they feel towards you is very evident. The gaze, the electricity that exudes whenever they are around you. And to this individual, you exude a lot of power, a lot of magnetism. You create hysteria. This person can't hide how they feel. People know. People know. They try and conceal it. And all this person thinks about is you and getting close to you, being a part of your world with the world card. And you can come from a different cultural background than this individual. For others of you, you come from the same background, but there's a high level of interest in your energy, because despite the fact you come in from the same background as this individual, you have different traits. So you may look a certain way, but you may talk a certain way, or you may dress a certain way. And you are just free being you. You're very free spirited, you're very high vibrational, and you're very inspirational to this individual. They've never encountered a being like yours before. And as much as they want to offer you their cup of love, or as much as they want to invest in you, they hold back. They see you as the prize, because quite frankly, you are the prize. And they act nonchalant. They try and downplay the emotions that you invoke within them. So they may try and pull back certain times. But they see you as their new beginning. You have brought a lot of excitement, joy, passion, and a feeling of having a new beginning into their life. They love spending time with you. They love listening to music with you. For some of you, you have the same music taste. And they're intrigued by this. They see that you have many options also. And on one hand, it confuses them, because they are confused as to whether or not you are going to go towards these options. And it may make them compare themselves to these options, but they know inwardly that for some of you, you have the same feelings for them. And they see you as a dream. They feel like whenever they connect with you, they are transported into another realm. You have this magical, ethereal quality to you. Your beauty mesmerizes this person. Your beauty, regardless if you are a masculine or a feminine, they find you absolutely beautiful. It's like you cast a spell over them. And they want to be more than friends. If you're friends right now, they want to be more than friends. I'm hearing for some of you, expect communication. This person wants to reach out to you, or they may come towards you abruptly, because it's that excitement that you invoke within them. They just have to be around you. They're drawn to you like a moth to a flame. Like a moth to a flame, burning by the fire. Hashtag Janet Jackson. But for real, this person feels delusional over you. They don't even know how they are appearing to other people. And quite frankly, they don't care. You are magnetic to this individual. They see the hysteria you cause within others, and they know, because they feel that same hysteria too.